In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refresh Outlook. Whether you're waiting for an important email to arrive or you've just made changes and want to see them update immediately, knowing how to refresh Outlook is essential. This works for both the web version and the desktop app, and I'll show you the quickest methods to get your inbox updated. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, if you're using Outlook in your web browser, the simplest way to refresh is to click your browser's refresh button. You'll find this button at the top of your browser window, usually near the address bar. Just click it once and your Outlook page will reload with the latest emails and updates. Alternatively, you can use a keyboard shortcut to refresh even faster. Press F5 on your keyboard, or if you're on a Mac or prefer another option, press Ctrl+R. Either of these shortcuts will instantly reload the page and sync your mailbox. Now, if you're using the Outlook desktop app or want more control over syncing, there's another method. Look for the View tab in the ribbon at the top of Outlook. Click on the View tab to open it. From there, look for a sync button or send/receive option. Click this button to manually sync your mailbox. This forces Outlook to check for new messages and update your folders immediately. And that's it. You've successfully refreshed Outlook using multiple methods. Whether you prefer a quick browser refresh, a keyboard shortcut, or manually syncing through the View tab, you now know how to keep your inbox up to date. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.